few inches later.
I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
C'est une petite semaine la semaine prochaine. 4 jours.
C'est férié lundi.
C'est férié vendredi. Il est court son short, hein?
Un petit peu, ouais, on a coupé un peu court.
That doesn't make any goddamn sense.
Tu peux attendre qu'il s'en aille. Il n'y a rien qui t'oblige à dépasser par la droite. What the fuck?
Tu ne le sais pas encore, mais tu es déjà mort.
Honestly, I barely passed my test. And the one time I drove on my own, I made a U-turn, got dizzy, threw up, and walked home.
Tu vois pourquoi c'est interdit de faire demi-tour sur la principale?
People with a zero IQ.
Turn signals. They're a good invention. Use them. Every motor vehicle legal for road use has to have a certain number of exterior lights and indicators to be considered roadworthy.
Ah ouais, il faut la totale quoi, allez vas-y. Putain, le refus de priorité, la ligne, le feu rouge et pas de clignotant. Eh ben ça commence bien ma journée hein.
NBC News World Headquarters in New York. This is NBC Nightly News with Lester Holt.
On I-90 near Boston, alarming video that state police say shows extremely dangerous behavior. A man and woman both apparently asleep in the front seat as their Tesla seems to keep driving, presumably in autopilot mode.
sound of the police. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the beast. Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police. On the ground now.
Guys, you do not want to do this, trust me.
C'est quoi ça? Ok, on peut reprendre la route. C'est dangereux ce qu'il vient de faire, hein?
Oui. Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.